We leave to Bora Bora in 20 minutes.
In 20 minutes, guys. Over an hour ago, we ordered food from down the street. Down the freaking street.
Well, he just picked it up.
Oh, he's not gonna make it on time. We ordered food from down the street because we're like, oh my god, it's super close. You brought ice cream. Oh my god. I also am sick, which is like, ugh, it sucks because we're literally gonna leave to Bora Bora tonight. Anyways, we are packed. We actually just have one really big suitcase. I'm thinking of changing. It's an overnight flight. It's literally a red eye. It's gonna be like an 8 to 9 hour flight. I need to change. I'm trying to be comfortable on this plane. So honey, I'm putting on some freaking sweats and a sweater. I was trying to show up like, yes, I'm going to a tropical place, but I changed. Oh my god, our food's not here yet. We have to leave literally like now.
This is he just got here.
He just got here though. Our bag. Oh my god. So Craft City, my team Craft City got me this. So I'm gonna take this with me. Our food's here, but we should really be leaving to the airport right now. We really should. What is this? Is this the chow mein we asked for?
Why is it all dried up?
I guess it's just like different. I don't know. I think we're good if we wait like 15 more. Want to eat real quick? Want to eat?
Yeah.
I mean, I think they're gonna feed us on the plane, but still.
But that's not till like 2 in the morning. If you think about it.
It's gonna read it. It says, "You are always entertaining and delightful."
I'm just gonna egg in some noodles like this.
Whoa, it's good.
It's good. Try this piece.
It's really good, huh? We are here.
Our flight's called Air Tahiti, but we saw everything but.
We saw everything but Air Tahiti, so we don't know where the heck to go.
We're confused.
Funny. We're so excited right now.
Yeah.
44 boarding at 10:40. You guys are seated together in 6D and E. Right behind is your lounge invitation. So
It's in French.
It's in French? Oh my god.
My tea.
What's like French Polynesian islands? I am so excited. I heard there's a lounge.
Oh, right here, look.
But we're gonna board in 20 minutes, so like, what the heck? Oh my god. We got some snacks and Pepto-Bismol. Probably shouldn't be eating this considering the fact that we just got the Pepto-Bismol because of my stomach, but. Right here. We made it, thank God. We're going to Tahiti first, and we're gonna land in Tahiti. And then we're flying to Bora Bora after that, which is like a 45-minute flight from Tahiti.
So from here to Tahiti is like 8 hours and 20 minutes.
But it's nighttime, so we'll probably sleep. There's this.
We got 2 bags. You know what? I think one of them is headphones. Goodie bag. Found a pen. What's in here? That's a toothbrush kit. Hand cream.
Hand cream.
Earbuds. Ooh.
Okay.
And dance wipe. Oh, this will come in handy for the camera. A hairbrush. And face cream too.
Toothpaste tablet.
Toothpaste tablet. Oh.
Whoa, that's weird.
That's pretty cool.
Shit, thank God. I wanted the bomb so bad.
Yay! And a face towel. Oh wait, no. Socks. We got socks.
Oh my God.
Chemin au sol vous indiquera le cheminement vers ses issues. Emergency exit on this aircraft indicated by an exit sign at the front in the Seine Colombie. En cas de nécessité, prenez-le et sortez le 205 in case of an emergency. Sure. Oxygen mask stop down automatically in front of you. Tirez sur le masque pour libérer l'oxygène.
Here you got a chicken salad with a little strawberry and cream, fresco crema, cheese, fruit, and
Butter.
And butter.
We're like really excited. The only people eating right now, by the way.
We got parsley about chicken. Well, we would never order salad, but since.
But I'm gonna eat it because the flights were expensive.
Veuillez maintenir votre ceinture attachée jusqu'à l'extinction de la consigne lumineuse. Prenez garde aux chutes éventuelles d'objets à l'ouverture des coffres. Si vous êtes en transit, veuillez emporter tous vos bagages à main. Nous vous souhaitons une bonne continuation avec l'équipage de relève. Le commandant de bord, Pascal Mou, et l'ensemble de son équipage seront heureux de vous accueillir à nouveau sur les lignes à Tahiti Nui. Maruru welcomes you to Tahiti International Airport, where the local time is 25 past 5 a.m.
Made it. It's hard to breathe, huh?
Crazy how you can go from like one climate to another. Oh my god.
Bienvenido a Tahiti. Go off.
My phone on.
Yeah, oh, right next to the London one. Okay, go off.
Oh, mine was on a random page.
Oh, okay. What's that next to it?
There she is. I'm so glad we just brought one, honestly.
Yeah.
Why does it not say 5 a.m.?
Yeah, mine's already updated.
Mine says 8.
I can't keep up with you.
The check-in line so full, hunker. And what do you know? McDonald's.
Swear to God, McDonald's is
McDonald's Global. So we bought a soup. What type is it?
We ate twice on the plane, but honestly, both times I feel like I really just picked at it because my stomach was hurting. So now I'm actually hungry. I need a lot of water.
Yes. So this soup is pork ribs, flavored instant noodles. I mean, it looks pretty bomb actually.
It's probably not the best thing to eat right now in this heat, but I feel like everything else, like solids, would like mess me up.
And we got our first French money. These are francs. They're called francs. Pretty cool.
Oh my god, I look like garbage.
We're waiting to board. We have to wait a whole hour because our flight's not until 8:30.
To go to Bora Bora.
Yeah, and then we landed like at 7 o'clock. So
It's looking been like a long process because we took off at 11 p.m. yesterday from, no, it's been longer because we left to the airport last night.
We left like at 9:15.
It's the next day. Oh yeah, we changed.
I put some shorts on.
I feel like if you want to come here, you definitely need to.
Definitely like pack like 10 shorts, a bunch of like
You're
summer.
gonna live in bathing suits, I feel.
Yeah.
Also, there's no way on earth you could wear beat face here. It's like, I wasn't even planning it anyway. I brought makeup just in case. But I even had my eyebrows on, y'all, and like they already came off. Because it's that humid and it's just, you're constantly like wet. So, I don't think I'm gonna wear makeup on this trip at all.
Go ahead, Queen. Hello. Like it says, it says 40 minutes, but I feel like 30 minutes would be there.
You must leave all your luggage on board.
Inside too. Conrad, right there. Conrad, yeah. Hello.
You're Mr. and Mrs. Aguilar?
Yes. Oh, good.
How's your flights? Everything okay?
Great.
Good.
You look still very white. I guess after vacation you'll be like that.
Thank you. Oh. Go on. They're right there.
Oh my god.
There they are. They're the iconic huts. Thank you. So nice.
Antes me gusta Aguilar.
Donde desean. Eso es un pequeño té refrescante con jazmín
Okay.
y hibiscus flavors.
Oh, nice.
Con una pequeña toallita fresquita.
This is so... I feel like you can't even explain like how beautiful it is.
It's like everything you see in pictures.
It's like more than what you see in pictures. It looks stunning on camera, but
In person, it's another story.
person, like there's no way they're seeing what we're seeing. It's in
No. That's what we're gonna try to show you as much as we can in this vlog, but wow. It's gorgeous, baby.
It's beautiful. It's so
Love
beautiful.
it.
Our room's not even ready, but I don't care. Like it's just so
Right?
beautiful to
Yeah.
even just be here.
Mexican trio over here.
What?
They're big chicken wings. Not bad. Oh wow.
Quick little hut tour. Hold on, let me go over here and show you really good. Hut tour. We are staying at the Conrad Bora Bora Nui. Originally we were gonna stay at Four Seasons, but it's under construction like literally almost all year this year.
But I feel like it's all the same thing.
It's the same thing. Walking in, we got this beautiful masterpiece. We have a mirror. Look how pretty this is. So walking in, we have a couch, a table. Cute, cute. Okay, let's go this way. So we have a restroom, his and her sink, a big bathtub. This is amazing. It's so freaking big. I don't know how big it looks on here.
It looks like a giant bowl.
It's huge.
And then you walk this way, you got my office.
Squishy's office, the toilet, and this way we have the shower. I love this restroom so much. And going out this way, we have the closet area. We have all our clothes here. We brought some vitamin C because we don't want to get sick. I was sick getting here, honestly, but I'm starting to feel better, if anything. So this is where we're keeping all our clothes and stuff. We should probably hang it up. We're going to be here for a whole week. All right, on to here. This is a beautiful area. To our left, we have a bar area. Right here, we have...
Like a little station, like for cups and stuff
Cups.
like that.
Tea.
Here we have a fridge full of like soda.
Fridge full of soda
And
that's
wine.
obviously not free. We have some Pepto-Bismol because on the flight here, my stomach actually hurted and I did not want to risk that long flight. So that's why we brought this. We have a coffee machine, which is free, which is about the only free thing here. My computer, I was uploading. We have the bed, which looks out to the ocean. Look at that. The TV comes up. Honestly, we don't even watch it because we can't understand anything at all. Everything's in French. We are in the French Polynesian Islands. There's different languages here. There's like the locals speak, I feel like most of them speak the island language, but also they speak French. So everything on TV is French. So we're having a hard time figuring that part out. Love, love, love. Out here, we have this table. I love this. We have this where we can lay out in the sun. We have some hammocks. 2 of them right here. There's a lot of coral reef. My favorite part from this entire villa is the view. It is incredible. Like out of the freaking Google pictures is what it looks like. I don't even think camera does it justice. This place is incredible. Update, it's about almost 11 p.m. We just slept all day. Traveling is low-key exhausting. We knocked out for hours, honey. Probably gonna get some food and just, I don't know, go back to sleep. We have a lot of planned activities while we're here, so I hope you guys enjoy. We really wanted to vlog this trip. Not just for the viewers, but for us to look back on. I freaking love vlogs, and I don't upload vlogs on here usually, just literally just once for Vlogmas that I did, but I don't know, it's just something I want to share with y'all, and many of you guys requested for us to vlog as well, so I'm so excited to look back on these when I get back home. I'm so excited in general. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.